Apera Instruments AI501 PH700 Benchtop Lab pH meter. Honest proof it delivers. You are standing over your samples, second-guessing every single reading, wondering if your meter is lying to you again. I did that for months. One afternoon, I nearly submitted a full batch report based on a drifting pen meter that had not been calibrated in 2 weeks. Type me if that almost disaster sounds too familiar. Honestly, does unreliable pH data ever actually feel professional? The burning frustration of inconsistent readings does not just waste time. It quietly poisons your confidence in every result you produce. You retest the same sample 3 times, still unsure which number to trust, while the clock keeps moving and your margin for error keeps shrinking. Something better was out there. I could almost feel it. Then I plugged in the Apera Instruments AI501 PH700 Benchtop Lab pH meter, and everything shifted immediately. Don't just pick any benchtop pH meter. Make sure it has automatic temperature compensation with a 3-in-1 electrode so you never feel the gut drop of realizing temperature drift silently corrupted your entire data set ever again. The 0.01 pH accuracy reads clean and stays stable without babysitting. The 1 to 3 point auto-calibration guides you through buffer recognition with on-screen prompts and self-diagnosis, so beginners and seasoned techs both finish calibration fast. I once had a researcher nearly miss a sample submission window because their old meter threw a ghost reading mid-session. With the PH700, the readings lock in quickly and hold. The IP54 splash-proof casing means a spilled reagent is annoying, not catastrophic. 50 data groups store your session results with temperature and ATC status attached. And here is the bonus most people overlook. The max and min mode tracks pH swings passively during extended runs, so you catch drift without manual monitoring. Drop a 1 if stable readings matter most to you right now. After testing a few options, one thing became clear. Accuracy without stability is just expensive noise. The PH700 holds at plus or minus 0.01 pH across 3 hours of continuous use, which means batch testing stays reliable from the first sample to the last. An educational lab specialist described it as bridging the gap between unreliable handheld pens and expensive research consoles, and that framing is exactly right. A STEM content creator noted students could learn proper calibration technique in minutes using the on-screen guidance alone. One verified buyer putting the PH700 into polymer synthesis research called calibration a breeze and praised the stability for serious lab work. Personally, the slope percentage display on the screen tells you electrode health at a glance, which is something most meters in this range simply omit. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for accuracy, 2 for calibration speed, or 3 for data storage. On price, the full kit, including the 3-in-1 electrode, holder, and pre-mixed calibration buffers, arrives ready to run. Comparable kits from other brands charge separately for every one of those components. Curiosity check. What does a meter with 50 group data storage and automatic buffer recognition normally cost? More than this. A lot more. Come see why so many lab techs, educators, and hydroponic growers have quietly switched their workflow to the Apera Instruments AI501 PH700 Benchtop Lab pH meter without looking back. This meter gives you 0.01 pH precision, automatic temperature compensation, and guided auto-calibration in one compact benchtop kit that is genuinely ready to use out of the box. Thousands already trust it daily across classrooms, grow rooms, brew labs, and quality control benches. Results will naturally vary by application and maintenance habits. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Click it, take a look, and decide for yourself. You deserve readings you can actually trust.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.